Okay, this is how to install a license plate bulb on a 2012 Honda Civic 4-door. It's a ES. Videos. A lot of people, like, I had to do it like several times. It's really easy to do. The only thing hard was to pull it out. So I'll help you with that. Like my channel, click like or subscribe and subscribe. As you can see, the Honda Civic's behind me. First thing stairs, off the truck. So from the front, it's not right here. As you can see, squeeze your fingers, pops out really fast. And there you have license plate light. Now it's been really slippery. I've been trying to pull it. Can't pull it. So I'm gonna grab some gloves with some grip on it. See, I got a grip. And pop. Voila. I have the light bulb. There's your local parts store. This one was $168 on the Honda Civic 2012. And the rest sets right in. Perfect. Now, slide the sucker in. Turn it on. Go to the back.